if you are mature person and if you work in office, or if you want fragrance for all situations, Fatan by the house of Rasasi. Rasasi, this Middle East brand, always produce good quality fragrances. Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back again to Majid Sand channel for reviewing and describing perfumes. This is the second episode of how to make a small collection with the various type of fragrances with less price or budget. We're gonna start our list with one of the greatest clones that I have smelled and tested, to Le Male or the Ultra Male from the house of Jean Bergotti. Why I recommend this fragrance? I talk about it a lot of times and I let it always in the top 3. This is called Exchange Wonderman from the house of Carillo. This house belongs to the French house Gipperlis. What I notice in this fragrance is the performance, the good price, very cheap, high quality, and this what we look for fragrances. So Exchange Wonderman by Carillo is greatest clone, and you must have this one for clubbing situations. Another great fragrances or great clones, Bleu Imperial, clone for Bleu de Chanel. This one is the clone for the Eau de Perfumes. This is the private collection by the house of Gipperlis. There is also Yes, I Am the King Le Perfume, another clone of Bleu de Chanel, but this one for the perfume version. If you want to know the difference and the big difference between these two Bleu de Chanel clones, just check the video in the box below. In the previous episode, I talked about another clone of Bleu de Chanel called L'Homme Bleu Intense. Yes, of course, for old stuff, this is Sunrise Vetiver from the house of Franco Levi. I love this fragrance because in some situations like office, indoor situations, also outdoor, this is a perfect and great vetiver fragrance. The vetiver here is so soapy. This one is so clean, also long lasting with high quality ingredient, and the most important thing to make a big collection is the less price. Also, I recommend if you are mature person and if you work in office, or if you want fragrance for all situations, Fatan by the house of Rasasi. Rasasi, this Middle East brand, always produce good quality fragrances. Fatan is clone for Terre d'Hermès, the Eau de Toilette version. This is earthy scent, so I recommend it for all situations also. For those who love oriental fragrances, we all know people in Asia prefer oriental perfumes that contain a lot of amber, lot of sweet notes, incense, something like that. So Yes, I Am the King Nuit d'Orion from the house of Gipperlis, and the collection of Yes, I Am the King like this one. This is a clone for Dolce & Gabbana Luminous Night, the one Luminous Night. So I made also comparison. I will let it for you in the description below. I don't see a big difference between this one and Dolce & Gabbana the one. Just see the video and you're gonna know more about it. In the first place, I let it for Dior Bois d'Argent clone, this one called Saint Honoré from the collection of Les Infinis by the house of Gipperlis. Great fragrance with great presentation, magnetic here, and the most important thing is the price. The price is around $30 to $40 max, and it's perfect clone for Christian Dior Bois d'Argent. Here you're gonna smell a lot of incense, lot of powdery notes due to the orris roots. There is also some vanilla here. I love it, and I wear this fragrance only at night situations. Also, this one is recommended for women and men, both of them. Thank you for watching this episode. This is a small collection and this is the second episode of how to make a small collection with less price. If you missed the first episode, just check the box below and give me your opinions. See you in the next episode.